Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes and today we have for sale this lovely Kawasaki Ninja 650. So lovely bike is this. These are also A2 compatible as well, so they can be restricted down. It's a 2017 on a 67 and it's done just 5,039 miles from new. It's got a seat cowl on there, it's got the engine protection on the side of the bike there, it's got the big top box on the back, it's got a tail tidy, so it's covered in nice bits. You've also got a 12-volt socket just down here and you've also got a dark screen as well. Nice digital display with the gear indicator. And like I say, most people do the test on these bikes because they're just so easy to get along with and really popular and really good value for money. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.